Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another nail art haul, and I'm so excited to be back and just showing you guys some more goodies. So everything here today is from Shein. I did say I was going to do multiple parts just because I did purchase a couple of things. So here we're starting off with this toolbox that I purchased for $1 through Shein, and pretty much you can put your tools in here if you desire. That's what I purchased it for. Like, let's say I want to have it close by, or if I'm taking it somewhere on the go, I have a little container to place my tools in. So I'm just grabbing some cuticle nippers along with a cuticle pusher and then a double-sided brush with one end being a brush and the other end being a dotting tool. So it's just a little example to show you. So this is what it looks like. I mean, for $1 you really can't go wrong. I really liked it, and it is in a color that is a blush pink, so that is really cute as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and always let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's nail art haul. And I hope you guys are enjoying these. I will have many more of these to come. So thank you guys always so much for your support. Next we're moving with these rhinestones that I purchased as well, and everything here is like under $3, I believe. So everything's very affordable, and I'm just gonna show you how sparkly these rhinestones are. And these, I believe, they're not the kite ones, but they're like the diamond kind of. I don't really know what shape this is. I'm just gonna go with like diamond or something, but they're so sparkly and you get a nice amount. I believe this was like $1 or $2, so you really can't go wrong. You can never have enough rhinestones, because after a use of a set of rhinestones you can't reuse them, so it's always nice to stock up. Next, we're moving on to some Christmas charms, and these are really pretty. They're just some candy canes. I am trying to up my collection on like holiday themed nail art, so I thought it would be perfect to incorporate these for, you know, Christmas look for the near future. So here I'm just showing you up close and personal what they look like, and I really recommend anyone to check out Shein. Very affordable. I love how the charms come with a pack of 10 in total, which is great. The more the better. But yeah, I really recommend you guys check them out. Everything's super affordable. Nothing here was more than $3, if so. So you definitely get a lot for your money. And then at checkout, there's always a bunch of discounts. And if you want to receive your package earlier than 2 weeks and just receive it within a week, you just pay $12.90, which is what I've been doing because I'm very impatient and I just don't even want to wait the 2 weeks. So yeah, I really recommend them. They have all types of stuff other than nail art as well. Yeah, they have really cute things. Here we're moving on to these really beautiful hearts that I thought were so cute. You can put this on any nail look, or if you're doing like a Valentine's Day type of look, you could also incorporate these, and I thought they were very beautiful, so I definitely had to get my hands on these. And at the end, I am going to be showing you me organizing all of my charms. So there will be an organize with me part to this video, another 2-in-1, because I know you guys do enjoy these. So I also honestly enjoy doing the organize with me part as well. I think it's really fun just to watch. And here we have these really cute planets, and I absolutely love them, and I had to go back and get the other colors. So here we have this very beautiful dark blue, and it's just super cute. I can't wait to see what type of look I can create with these. I mean, you can do so much with them, but I've never really done like a planet related nail look, so I think that would be really fun for the near future as well. And then here we have these really beautiful handbags, these little purses with gold trim. I thought they were so cute. Very, very cute. I mean, they would look so cute on any nail. So yeah, I'm just really excited to be expanding my charm collection, because I was looking and I'm like, you know what, I have all these types of glitters and glitter sequences and stuff like that, and like gold embellishments, but I don't really have charms. And if I do, I only really had kawaii charms, so I didn't have these type of charms. So I'm really happy, you know, to get my game up with these charms. And what I love is that it'll bring like 10 charms for like $1, $1.50 up to $2.50. It's like you really can't go wrong. And I got these for Halloween. These are so beautiful. They are some tarantulas or spiders. I thought they're really cute. This is what they look like from the back, and I thought they would look really cute for Halloween. I wanted to incorporate more Halloween nail looks this year coming up, because Last Halloween, I really didn't do much. I think I did maybe 1 or 2 looks, and I definitely want to do more because Halloween is definitely one of my favorite holidays. And this one is just the little paper decorations, and these are super cute. I had to get these. I'm just going to individually show you each little slot, what it brings, just for you guys to see more in detail. And if you're interested in purchasing these, which are super cute for encapsulation, and I love how it has different themes within it, super pretty and unique. I really love these, and I hope you guys do as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed watching. And these in particular, look how beautiful these are. I love the girl. But yeah, I'm just gonna be briefly showing you everything that it includes, and then we're gonna move on right to the next item. So next we're moving on to these really cute charms as well, and this is very versatile. You can literally incorporate this in any nail look, and it'll definitely add more of a pizzazz to your nail set. So this is what they look like. They're super cute. I absolutely love these that I'm going to be showing you here in a second. These are so beautiful. I don't know if these are called like clusters or something, but they're so beautiful. It brings a pearl, some rhinestones, and a rose, and I just can't wait to put these on a nail look. They're so pretty. I love these. Next we're moving on to some foils, and these are a butterfly foil set, and I definitely am loving expanding my foil collection as well, so you will see a lot of foils in future nail hauls. I just really love them. I think they're very convenient, very easy, and it's just endless creativity. I absolutely love foils. So here I'm just showing you all the foil sheets, and they're just butterflies. And these butterflies, all these prints, I've actually had them in decal form, but I didn't know they had them like this, so that's great as well. So here I'm just gonna show you sheet by sheet, and yeah, I thought they were very pretty and I can't wait to use these. So now we're moving on to the organizational part of this video. Thank you so much if you're still here watching. You're absolutely amazing. So here I'm just going in and replacing these little bows and placing them on the ones underneath and placing these clocks on top, because somebody had commented and they were like, oh, you know, I should have done it this way. And I thought it was so funny, like her comment, she was really nice about it, but I'm like, you know what, I didn't even notice that, so thank you so much for bringing that up. And then I just decided to go ahead and organize this a little bit better. So yeah, thank you for that tip, because honestly sometimes I'm just doing things and I'm not even realizing what I'm doing. Like I would have never noticed if, you know, it wouldn't have been brought up, so thank you for that. So here I'm just gonna go and sort all the ones that I showed you, and then a little bit towards the end I go ahead and add 2 more little packs of charms to show you guys. And I did that because I just wanted to finish filling this box up, which I did, and you guys will see. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this organizational part of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching, and just being so supportive and loving. It means the absolute world to me. You guys definitely keep me going, and I just appreciate all the love that I always receive. Like, I genuinely do. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Till next time.